Hi guys, Tyler with MarineMax Houston. Today I'm on this Boston Whaler 350 Realm. Starting at the back of the boat, you'll see this boat's got joystick operated Mercury 400 horse V10 outboards. Pushes this boat well above 55 miles an hour. You've got a nice transom jump seat, flips up, backrest. Great place to hang out while you're headed out to the fishing spot or just on a sunset cruise. And then once you get to the spot you want to fish, it tucks right away and gets the cushions out of the way, safe and protected. You've got 3 rod holders along the transom, as well as your live well. Got a couple more rod holders on either side with cleats and pass-throughs for your dock lines right there. One of my favorite things about this boat is the bilge access. You see you've got a huge bilge area with your generator, battery storage, all your through-hole fittings, and nice storage for your teak tables for the transom cockpit area. On the starboard side, as we move forward a little bit, you see we've got nice steps to get out of the boat when you're at dock. Got a prep surface that when you pick up, turn out of the way. Shows your Kenyan electric grill. You've got reversible seating on the second row with cooler access below, as well as a step to rest your feet on while you're sitting facing backwards. On the port side, you'll see we've got a dive door, and then on either side, you've got your macerated fish boxes. You'll see this boat does also have a sure shade enclosure that goes over the back, as well as your zips and your channels for your isinglass enclosure. You do have rod holders on either gunnel, as well as steps and a handle for roof access. As you make your way to the helm area, you'll notice this boat does have 2 rows of helm seating, with this reversible one either back towards the cockpit or forward in the helm. There are 2 AC vents, as well as footrests and a spot for another table. Just to the right of that, you've got a nice sink to wash your hands after cooking or catching a fish. You've got a refrigerator up here on the starboard wall. Another great entertaining feature about the Realm is that this helm bench actually rotates 180 degrees and becomes a nice conversation or dining area once you put the table in. The helm station, you'll notice we've got twin Simrad MFD displays with your digital switching through the Boston Whaler app. Got your Lumar bow thruster, trim tabs, Mercury joystick control, some physical switching, as well as AC vents and multiple cup holders. Now that we're down in the cabin, you'll see we've got ample space. You can put a filler cushion here to make this a full berth. You've got a TV, it is air conditioned, and you've got a private wet head and shower here as well. Also in the cabin area, you've got your switch panel for your shore power and your generator controls, as well as your cabin and deck air conditioner controls. Now that we're back up at the deck, you'll see we've got another switch panel for all your batteries and your keys, as well as breaker switches. You'll see this boat is equipped with the upgraded JL audio package, and you do have more air-conditioned vents as well. Now that we're up at the bow, you'll see that there's ample seating to hang out. You can take this cushion off, eat a meal, put the cushion on, lower the table down, and it turns into a full lounger. You've got 3 across loungers facing forward, this full area here. You've got more cup holders, more speakers, access to your windlass anchor. And while we're here, it's also a great time to show the top of the hardtop, where you've got your Simrad open array radar, your Gemlux carbon fiber extendable outriggers, and a good place to put a Starlink or FLIR night vision camera. If you're interested in a Boston Whaler like this one, please give me a shout. I'd be happy to take care of you.